हर गंगे हर गंगे नमामि गंगे। आप सभी भक्तों का हार्दिक अभिनंदन है। पुनः एक बार गंगा आरती अभी थोड़ी देर पहले संपन्न हुई है, जिसकी लाइव रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो मैंने पोस्ट की है। वेलकम बैक टू माय डिवाइन फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड। You are most welcome to enjoy the divine bliss and blessing of Mother Ganges, the holy, sacred, transcendental entity of spiritual flow in the mankind. Ganga is not an ordinary river, a mass of flowing water, but the history of mankind would have been totally different had the seers and sages on the banks of Mother Ganges not attained the supreme truth, the supreme reality, that the form of Sacchidananda, the existence absolute, pure consciousness and bliss eternal, that was discovered on the banks of Mother Ganges. The entire Indian culture, spiritual tradition is largely because of Mother Ganges. The sacred vibrations, the sacred environment from Mother Ganges and around Mother Ganges has illumined and revealed the mankind, the supreme reality, the greatest mystery. Here on the banks of Ganges alone, the Rishi declared, Aham Brahmasmi, I alone am Brahman, I alone am supreme truth, I alone am Atman, Paramatman. This was possible simply because of the grace and transcendental spiritual vibrations of this Mother Ganges. Mother Ganges is not a mass of flowing water. She is mass of bliss, mass of eternal love, mass of everlasting beauty, and mass of omnipotent, omniscient, omnipresent reality. Here on the banks of Mother Ganges, the supreme truth, the ultimate truth in the history of mankind was discovered. The man realized the Brahman, the Godhood within himself on the banks of Mother Ganges alone. This is the secret, spiritual secret. This is the contribution of Mother Ganges in the shaping and making of his spiritual legacy, not only of India, but entire world. In one or the other way, from time immemorial, from ancient times, the entire spiritual streams and philosophical traditions, the metaphysics from all over the world has been deeply and positively influenced by the transcendental discoveries made by seers and sages on the banks of Mother Ganges, sacred Ganges, holy Ganges. That's what, and even today, people from across the world come to understand and feel and realize the supreme within, the Ganga of knowledge, the Ganga of consciousness that is ever flowing within the heart of every living being. That is the symbolic message that the pure pristine, pure intelligence that is flowing unbroken, the pure awareness intrinsically of the nature of bliss consciousness is transcendental dimension of Mother Ganga. Mother Ganga is flowing every moment within each one of us as pure intelligence. The nectarine bliss and beauty of Mother Ganges has been transmuted and transmitted from across the generations, from across the cultures and countries. People have derived inspirations and definitely from India, still large number of people, when they become seekers of supreme reality, seekers of supreme truth, seekers of Godhood within themselves. They come on the banks of holy Ganges in the Himalayas, because here is the environment, the vibrations in the nature which allowing your transcendental reality, which allow you to transcend your darkness, the veil of darkness which has shrouded and veiled your supreme reality, that is broken free, and you realize here on the banks of Mother Ganges, sacred Ganges, holy Ganges, that Mother Ganges is flowing ever within your heart as pure consciousness, bliss consciousness, eternal and pure intelligence. It is very easy to identify once you come and understand the spiritual and metaphysical dimensions of this holy river, Mother Ganges. Then you establish all of a sudden that spiritual, divine, transcendental reality within yourself, and you get over that physical, material identity of yours, and after transcending that darkness, ignorance, and attachment, you begin to feel the cosmic Ganga ever flowing within yourself, the cosmic and transcendental mass of pure knowledge, Jnana Ganga, that eternally flowing within the heart of each one of us. The ultimate purpose of every human being is to realize their supreme nature. That supreme nature is of the nature of Sacchidananda, truth eternal, existence eternal, pure intelligence, bliss everlasting. That is our true nature. And for that, we have to take a U-turn at 180 degrees in our life. The journey of the external has to take a U-turn, and once you go to discover the inner depths and dimensions of the truth within your heart, there you find that you are that cosmic reality, Sacchidananda, truth eternal, bliss nectarine, and beauty, love eternal that you are. That's why to realize their almighty nature, the human beings come on the banks of Ganges. It's not only sacred for Hindus alone. I remember when Prime Minister Modi launched Namami Gange scheme, and former President of the United States of America, Bill Clinton, was meeting him. He said, referring to that Namami Gange project, that you are engaged in a sacred mission. Even Bill Clinton could understand that cleaning Ganga, preserving Mother Ganga is a sacred mission, is a transcendental mission. The entire humanity still comes on the banks of Mother Ganges, sits in the laps of Mother Ganges to seek solace from the burning furnace called life, and everything that appears to be ablaze around their physical life, here and here alone, that blazing inferno is quenched with the nectarine love, bliss and beauty of Mother Gangas, that you realize that identity within, that supreme reality within, and the Ganga outside. That is the ultimate reality, to identify that sacred, the divine within each one of us, the formless within the form, the nameless within the name, the attributeless Brahman in the attributed one has to be discovered. And here Mother Ganga has facilitated and blessed billions and billions and billions of seekers with allowing them to realize their supreme truth within their heart, to realize and identify themselves as Aham Brahmasmi, I alone am the supreme reality. That unimaginable attainment in the annals of human history has been possible only on the banks of Mother Ganges. That is the background. Mother Ganges is not just a mass of flowing water, an ordinary river, a natural resource. No. It would be a great mistake. The stream, the flowing is